12 तारखेच्यान सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवल चालू जाता आणि त्या निमतान वेगवेगळे क्युरेटरांशी आमी तुमकां मेळयले आणि तेंचे जे क्युरेशन प्रोसेस आसा वेगवेगळे तेंचे आर्टिस्ट आसा जे ह्या सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवलान पार्टिसिपेट करता तेंच्या बद्दल आमी तेंच्या कडल्यान जाणा जावन घेतले. आयज म्हाज्या वांगडा अशीच एक क्युरेटर आसा विरंगना कुमारी सोलंकी. मॅम वेलकम. वेलकम टू गोवा.
Thank you. It's good to be back again for Serendipity this year and its 10th edition.
Okay, so this is the 10th edition. So what's new that you have been pursuing or you have been expecting from this festival?
I think for me, it's the venue that I've been offered to curate in, which is a barge. It's parked at the Old Goa at the Captain of Port's jetty, and it's been very exciting working with that as a space itself. It's challenging, but it's also allowed me to expand from the past years of the exhibition which I've done over here, from future landings, synesthetic notations, and a haptic score. And this sort of picks up from that while also responding to the space as a venue. Yeah,
When it will be open for the public?
it'll open on the 12th of December, 4 p.m. onwards.
Okay, so after that, all people will be able to access it. Yes.
It's open from the 12th to the 21st, from 4 p.m. to midnight every day.
So you have been coming here for past 4 years, if not mistaken. Okay.
So, well, 2021 was Future Landing Online, and then from 23 to now, it's been physically present in the space curating exhibitions.
This is 10th edition, so the curators also have increased, and also because last year it was I think only 10 to 12 curators. This time it is 35 curators with new hope and new their artwork, everything. So, what do you think the people should come for the festival?
So I think what's really nice is that as the 10th edition, Serendipity's invited curators back from the past 10 years. So everybody's back with a new project. Many venues are new. I'm quite excited to also see all the various projects and explore some of the new venues that they have this year.